Welcome back. For this part of the live example, we are now inside of Microsoft PowerPoint, and inside of our blank presentation, we're going to go directly to Microsoft CoPilot. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on Create a Presentation. We're going to cut and paste into the prompt area our summary. So we're going to edit it and make sure that we have in there the main ideas from our summary. What we are then going to do is we're going to click on the Send button, and then we will allow Microsoft PowerPoint to write our presentation. What you'll notice now is that Microsoft PowerPoint really does not have the proper context for our summary. So we've made some changes to the prompt, and we're now going to click Send, and we're going to ask Microsoft PowerPoint to write our presentation. And Microsoft PowerPoint has completed our presentation. We can go back to CoPilot, and we can add in a slide about something else if we want to do it, or we can just ask a question about the presentation. And again, in order to determine what we can do with CoPilot, all we would need to do is to go to the prompts area, view more prompts, and then we'd be able to see what else we would be able to do. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.